Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Oanda account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to trade.oanda.com and then click onto your account and sign in. Once you've signed in, you want to go over to the Oanda hub. So sign into your account. Okay, so once you've signed in, I've noticed they have made it quite difficult to delete your account. So what we need to do is go ahead and contact their support team. So go ahead and click onto where it says here web chat, and then a little web chat's going to appear. So from here, just ask them something along the lines, hey, I'd like to delete my account. Now, once you've done that, they're going to automatically reply, say, I've taken note of your request to close your account. Please note that once you close your account, we may not be able to reactivate that account, and you may have to reapply for a new account if you choose to return to Oanda. Someone will contact you to follow up within closure formalities in 1 to 2 business days. Let me ask you a few additional questions for them. So just go ahead and talk to the chatbot here, and then once that is finished, wait 1 to 2 days for someone to contact you to delete your account.